There's a saying that dynamites come in small packets, and it's absolutely true. By the end of this video, even you will agree with me. Honeybees, those buzzing wonders of nature, hold a captivating secret world that is both interesting and essential. Get ready to be amazed by these tiny but mighty creatures. Do you know there are different types of honeybees that play specific roles? Let's see what they are. First in line are these queen bees. Their work is to lay eggs. Next are these worker bees, which collects nectar and pollen, build honeycombs and take care of baby bees. Now that's a lot of work. Next in line are these drones, which work with the queen bees. Now let's discover the 10 hidden wonders of these fascinating creatures.
The honeybee is one of the most collaborative insects in the world. Each hive is comprised of thousands of bees working together in order to build and sustain. Know what specific job they need to do in order to keep balance in the hive?
Bomb sniffing bees. They use it to find pollen in the flowers or navigate their way back to their hives. But now, scientists have trained bees to use their sense of smell to detect explosives.
A young Australian scientist has made a breakthrough in her search for a cure for breast cancer. The 25-year-old from Perth has been using honeybee venom from her home town and also from Europe to kill breast cancer cells.
Number 1. Honeybees are the only insects that produce food consumed by humans. They collect nectar from flowers and use that to make honey. Firstly, they find an open spot and then they deposit the nectar and make them neatly. Number 2. They have a special dance to communicate the location of food source with their hive mates in specific direction and using vibration sounds. The first dance is the round dance, which means the food is nearby within 165 feet. But what if the food is far away? Then they use this waggle dance where they run in a shape of 8, energetically wiggling their body side to side. The amount of time it dances indicates the distance from the food source. So if it dances for 1 second, that means the food is 1 kilometer away. If the waggle dance is straight towards the sun, that means the food is in that direction, and accordingly they dance for different angles. Number 3. A single honeybee will only produce about 1/12 of a spoon of honey in its lifetime. Number 4. Honeybees have an incredible sense of smell. Researchers have discovered that honeybees can be trained to detect specific odors like explosives, and they did that. In August 2005, members of Defense Advanced Research Project Agency have arrived at Los Alamos National Laboratory to test these bees, where they are exposed to real-life situations and expected to detect the explosives, and they did give a positive response. Number 5. They have the ability to understand the concept of zero. Scientists have found that honeybees can be trained to recognize that zero means an absence or an empty set. Wow, their intelligence is incredible. Number 6. Scientists have also found that bee venom can be used to treat cancer, and so they can be used as biosensors. Firstly, the bees are gathered and their venom, that is their liquid, is extracted, and later it's injected into the cancerous cells. Here we can see the before and after results of using the bee venom on the cancerous cell. And yes, it works. Number 7. They are the master architects. They construct hexagonal cells in their hives known as honeycomb to store honey. It's like a mini engineering marvel created by these beautiful little creatures. Number 8. This one is way more interesting. Honeybees have the ability to recognize human faces. They can be trained to do this, which is remarkable. Number 9. They have 5 eyes, 2 in regular position and 3 on the top of their head. Number 10. They have to visit about 2 million flowers and fly over 55,000 miles to make just 1 pound of honey. Do share your thoughts on this. If you find this video interesting, do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.